Isang mapagpalang araw sa inyong lahat. Welcome back sa ating munting channel, Cool Lolo, Cool Tips and Talks. November 6, 2024, Friday, racing. Starting time ng karera, alas 5 ng hapon. 7 races, all 7 races ay may distansyang 1,200 meter. Race number 1, ang ating pong Cool first choice. Number 4, Sahib. Expected, ito ang bandera. Sarate ang sasakay. Second choice, number 5, Be Fit and Fabulous. Ulit, race number 1, first choice, number 4, Sahib. Second choice, number 5, Be Fit and Fabulous. Race number 2, ang ating pong first choice, number 3, Sinag. Second choice, couple then 3, 4, top of the mark for a winning shot. Ulit, first choice, Sinag, number 3. Second choice, couple then 3, 4, top of the mark for a winning shot. Race 3. First choice natin, number 2, Eyes on Sunrise. Malamang naman na makakasunog kagad ito sa bandera dito. Second choice, number 3, ang expected kong nasa unahan, Alap Bam Boom. Ulit, first choice, Eyes on Sunrise. Second choice, number 3, Alap Bam Boom. Race 4, first choice, number 3, pinaka-galing o pinaka-press na galing sa panalo, Polite Bell. Second choice, number 5, babang-baba na, Grand Monarch. Race 4 uli, first choice, number 3, Polite Bell. Second choice, number 5, Grand Monarch. Dito sa race number 5, first choice, number 2, Dreams of the World. Mga huling takbo ay nagpapakita ng buti. Second choice, number 3, Golden Opportunity. Baka ngayon na manalo ito. Malamang bandera uli ito dito. Race 5, first choice, number 2, Dreams of the World. Second choice, number 3, Golden Opportunity. Race 6, penultimate race, race na may pentafecta. First choice natin, number 5, Super Spunky. Medyo galing sa bakasyon, pero kinakakitaan na ito ng buti bago magbakasyon. Second choice, number 6. Ilang beses na itong nagpapakita ng pagsugod sa laban. Number 6, My Diamond. Race 6, uli. First choice natin, number 5, Super Spunky. Second choice, number 6, My Diamond. Race 7, last race. Race na may Super 6. First choice, number 7, Beltuna. 2 segundo. Ngayon, baka primero na. Second choice, number 2, Money for Gabriel. Pati Dilema ang sasakay. Third choice, number 3, laging kinakikitaan ng laban sa laban. Number 3, Grand Laughter. Uli, race 7, first choice, number 7, Beltuna. Second choice, number 2, Money for Gabriel. Third choice, number 3, Grand Laughter. God bless to all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. At pakikalagit na rin ang notification bell para maging updated sa lahat ng video. Hinay-hinay lang po sa pagtaya. Sana tumama tayo. Thank you!